How often have you walked around Bonnie Doon Mall or West Edmonton Mall and seen the signs in the window that say buy one, get one free? I bet you've seen it a lot. But consider, how often do you see the sign buy two, get both for 50% off? I bet you hardly see that one at all. Now, in both offers, the quantity of products and the price of products is going to be the exact same. So why do we see buy one, get one free much more than we see buy two, get both for 50% off? Well, this is because of something called the framing effect. You'll find information on the framing effect in pages 9 to 10 in your textbook. So what is the framing effect? It is described as the phenomena when a decision is affected by the way choices are presented. Often these choices are going to be equivalent choices. So buy one, get one free is going to be equivalent to buy two, get both for 50% off, but the way they're described is going to affect us. So when we look at the word free versus the word 50% off, one seems a lot more valuable than the other. One seems like you're getting something for nothing, but the other seems like you still have to pay for it. Now, a real-life example of how this framing effect affected me is when in 2018 I was walking down Bonnie Doon Mall and I passed by this store called Rox, R-O-X-X. This store had a sign that said that the entire store was 50% off. I spent way too much money because I thought that I was getting this big steal of a deal. Now, time elapsed, and now we're in 2023, and I've kept track of this store and realized that the 50% off deal that they've always had has never changed, which means that it was never really a deal, it was a constant price. The retailers had their idea of what they wanted to sell it for, and then they would put that price doubled on the price tag, so that, you would feel like you were getting a deal from it. So I fell for their framing effect in that I always felt like I was getting a deal, and so I bought more than I probably would have if it had just listed the original price. So how do you avoid framing effects? Well, you use something called the cost-benefit principle. This is, before you look at the price, you should think of how much you are willing to spend. You should think of how much the benefit of the product is and how much you're willing to pay for that benefit. Then, once you've decided on a price in your head, you should look at the price listed. And if the price is less than what you had in your head or equal to what you had in your head, only then should you buy it. So in this case, you're not taking into consideration the deals that the store had or how much the price used to be, but instead you're just looking at how much do you value this product and how much are you willing to spend. So if there are multiple products in a deal, you should consider dividing the price you're going to spend in the end over the amount of products that you're going to get, and consider how much you would have paid for just one product on its own and apply the cost-benefit principle that way. If you're using the cost-benefit principle properly, you're not going to fall for these framing effects that we see everywhere. And you're probably going to be a better spender. So yeah, that's the framing effect, and if you want more information on it, pages 9 to 10 in your textbook will help you out.